To start an HVAC design, select QuotePix New Document from the Visio menu and choose HVAC Control Systems. Click OK and fill in the project properties. The properties can be changed by clicking Define, but we will use the default properties for this introductory demonstration. Certain properties will be used to automatically populate the title block that is located on the title block page of the file. The title block is also set to display on the other pages of the file. We will cover the topic of how to create your own title block in another demonstration. The default HVAC controls template opens Visio Professional's standard HVAC stencils. If these symbols are sufficient for your drawing, you can begin your design by dragging from the stencil to the page. As you draw, note that many of the shapes display a smart tag that's lit to designate that it will appear in the bill of materials. That is because this QuotePix template has been set to recognize the shape data or custom properties field called part number as the information that identifies an item to be counted. You can see this in the Define BOM Items dialog from the QuotePix menu. You can turn off the smart tag displays by clicking the bulb icon in the QuotePix toolbar. You may want to do this if your drawing becomes dense with BOM items. Click the smart tag and uncheck the box to change it to bulb off if you do not want the item to be included in the BOM. Not all the shapes on the standard Visio stencils have part number fields for shape data. If you have shapes in the drawing that you want to include in a BOM, select one or more of them on the Visio drawing and then click QuotePix Convert Shapes to BOM Items. QuotePix will add the shape data field that is designated in the Define BOM Items dialog to identify shapes as BOM items. As you assemble your drawing, the QuotePix BOM status window displays the BOM items. The roll-up tab shows a total of all items in the file, and the other tabs show quantities for individual pages according to their page name. Enter the part number, price, quantity, etc. into the shape data window for each selected part. QuotePix will still count items if you do not enter values, but its list and reports will be less descriptive. You can modify the page name just as you normally would in Visio, and this will be reflected in the BOM status window. To change the name, double-click on the Page 1 tab at the bottom of your drawing window and type in a new name such as AHU1. To add a page, use Visio's standard procedure. Select Insert New Page and use the Page Setup dialog to configure your page. For example, if you need another page to work on, enter the page name such as AHU2. Note that by default, Visio assumes that you want the existing background page title block to also be a background for the new page. If you do not want this, select None from the pull-down in the background field. Visio places the New Page tab at the bottom of the drawing window, but it may not be in the sequence you want. For example, drag the tab to place it after AHU1. Note that the BOM status window shows the tab for AHU2 to display parts added here. Templates provided with QuotePix include an Excel template that you can use to output BOM information to a format suitable for delivery to a customer. If the QuotePix Excel templates do not fit your needs, you can create your own. We'll cover that topic in another demonstration. To generate a BOM, select QuotePix, Report, Generate. QuotePix enables you to specify which pages to include and exclude from the BOM status window in reports. Select QuotePix, Include Pages, and check the pages you want included. In this way, you can exclude pages used only for notation. The QuotePix help file provides more detailed information on specific features and options. Select QuotePix, Help to view the help file. Thank you for viewing this introductory demonstration on getting started with QuotePix. For more information, please visit www.shapesource.com.